Train. Yes. Whoa, Jesus Christ, dude, I'm still recording, so this could be a blooper. We're gonna have to listen a little closer. Jeez, Dudley. Oh yeah, straight. Holy shit. Jesus Christ, dude. After it ends, go. Move out, Mexicans! Holy. He uses trade bait. Let's enjoy it. I'm starting a gas chamber moment. This is too brutal.
Yeah. The rules of the match is you have to collect your own rocks. You have no breaks. Why'd you fart? Who are you?
I am Kernos. What the fuck is it? I don't see any rocks around here.
Isn't he supposed to be telling me something? Mexican War was one of the best headers we've ever seen. Garros.
Garros.
Alright, yeah.